In an effort to not lose any content when content was converted from WebCT into Desire to Learn, Desire to Learn actually places all the content it can find within the content area, and it actually allows you as the faculty member to go in and make the decision about what content you want to retain in Desire to Learn and what content you want to get rid of. Now, this poses problems if you have a lot of different information that was on your homepage in WebCT, and it has to know kind of where to organize that and where to put it in Desire to Learn. And so those are the situations where you may find a little bit more of a complicated task of what we're actually going to be working with here. We're actually going to be looking at how to reorder and arrange non-learning module content that was in WebCT. And so to begin, let's select the Edit Course option in the top right, and then choose the Course Builder tool. This opens again the course builder. You'll notice that the amount of sequence has been added here to the course content. And so if you were to expand one of these, you'll notice that it expands out with subtopics. In this case, you'll have different varying modules and things of that nature. So one of the things you'll want to look at is the content that you want to keep within the structure, and then content, let's say, that you want to integrate within other parts of the course. So for example here, I'm looking at this appears to be a syllabus that was added to the home page of the course. In this case, I'm actually going to remove that because we added the syllabus to the orientation module. This also looks to be a similar type situation where it's an assignment schedule that was added to the course homepage. Again, I'm going to remove that. Now, if you'd like to add information to the front of students' attention during the course, I would encourage you to use things like the news feature that's on the course homepage. Now, you'll notice a variety of things here, such as hints on how to study and do well. We may want to include that, or in this case, we may actually include that within the orientation module. This is kind of your choice in terms of how you'd like to integrate that information in. So what I'm going to do is actually open that up and select that particular item and go ahead and drag and place it right within the orientation module. Now, this may differ depending on how you'd like to approach this in your particular course, but there may be some situations where you will want to integrate that information slightly differently than what had been done in the past. And so navigating the course module, there's a variety of things here. Possibly we would include that within the course information section. But possibly there's other areas here, student self-introduction, possibly we can remove that, or we want to integrate that into the other part of the area as well. So possibly the course information section again. So as you go through, you'll notice that there are going to be things here that you'll want to hide, things you'll want to remove, and things you'll want to actually move around and place within other places within the course. And so here I'm just going to go ahead and complete actually removing items such as the syllabus that have most likely been added to the course homepage. There are also areas here in terms of grading forms where you may have provided those to your students. We'll go ahead and add that in the course information, and then once you're in the course information section, then you can actually go and reorganize that information or place that within logical locations in that particular content sequence. So this will actually be the bulk of your time as you convert information over from WebCT into D2L, and a lot of it is highly contingent on how you would like that content to be presented to your students. But by using the course builder and the course builder canvas here, you can actually do this relatively quickly and organize and sequence content in ways that benefit your course and the way that present the information and how you want to present it.